I'm from New York, and I'm here in Taiwan, in Taipei, taking a class with Be My Guest Taipei. And we're making a squid soup and stir-fried noodles. Wow, it looks delicious.
Your soup, right?
Yes, let's try it. Let's see how delicious it is. Okay. Delicious. The best soup I've ever made.
Really?
But it was really because of you and your help. That's perfect. Not difficult when you have a chef here and when you have all the ingredients and instructions. But it's not that difficult. And it was very quick.